Office of the Chief Minister's Secretariat to JURE Government of Manipur Government in Exile London, United Kingdom. Press release The London, 1 January 2023. A statement of the Chief Minister of Manipur on the eve of the Constitution Day of Manipur. Today 1st January of the year is the Constitution Day of Manipur. The codified Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 was enacted by His Highness the Maharaja Bhojchandra while Crown Paramount was in operation in India and Manipur on 1 January 1947. Manipur State, an Indian state, and a princely state, was excluded from India, an Indian empire, on the 27th of December 1946 by the Order in Council of His Majesty under Section 91 of the Government of India Act 1935. Manipur became an excluded and separated state from India during the British monarch era. The independent country Manipur and Manipuri nation rule under the codified Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 since enforcing the Constitution Act in the state on 2 January 1947. The Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 was codified from the Crown Paramountcy and enacted by His Highness the Maharaja Bhojchandra as a sovereign authority for the governance of the Manipur state. It is a de jure constitution derived from the sovereign and crown paramountcy. And further, the codified Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 was approved and introduced in the state by the agreement of 1st and 2nd July 1947 made between His Majesty's representative and His Highness the Maharaja of Manipur. After having the State Constitution Act 1947, Manipur gained independence under the bilateral agreement of 1 July 1947 from the British on 14 August 1947 at 8 am with the transfer of power by F. Pearson, British Chief Minister of the Interim Council, to the native Chief Minister M.K. Priyabhota. The Crown's paramountcy was also transferred to the Council with the transfer of power. F. Pearson, Chief Minister, was administered Manipur about 33 days under the Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 and Manipur Administration Rules 1947. Under Section 57 of the Manipur State Constitution Act 1947, the Chief Minister, as Chief Executive of the state with a resolution of the Manipur State Council, has the constitutional right and authority to refer the matter if it prevents the spirit of the Constitution Act by the Indian government or other parties to His Majesty the King to bring justice as explicitly provided under Section 57 as where in any case circumstances arise which prevent the proper operation in law or in spirit of this Constitution Act. The Council may at their discretion refer the matter for decision to such authority outside the state as may be decided hereafter and the decision of that authority shall be binding. Further, if necessary, His Majesty may refer any matters to committee under Section 4 of the Judicial Committee Act 1833 as provided that it shall be lawful for His Majesty to refer to the said Judicial Committee for hearing or consideration any such other matters whatsoever as His Majesty shall think fit, and such committee shall thereupon hear or consider the same, and shall advise His Majesty thereon in manner aforesaid. With the legal judgment and advice of the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council, the His Majesty and Council may pass for constitutional enforcement in India under Article 374(3) of the Republic Constitution of India. Yambam Biran, Chief Minister of Manipur.